So one of the exercises I did with the students is something I ripped off from a writing class I'd taken years ago. And it's a very basic writing exercise, but it's something that I think is essential for storytelling. So what you do is, let's say you have one page of writing, 250 words or something like that. And you take the first three paragraphs. What you do is you cut up all the sentences and you arrange them, and you see whether or not if you rearrange the order, if it really changes the meaning, but more importantly, you see if you can take out any of those sentences and still get the essence of what you're trying to say. And so for comics, you can do the same thing. If I have a 12 panel page, which is way too many panels usually, you draw them. I had the students draw out a story from beginning to end. It could just be as simple as you woke up in the morning all the way up until lunch, and they had 12 panels. And I said, I want you to draw all of them and then take out all the panels you can until you get to the essence of the story. And one of the students was able to get it down to 2 panels, which is the very basic definition of comics. And I said, do you feel like you are missing anything essential from the story? And they said, no. And that's what an editor does. But certainly when we're self-editing, that's something you have to do. And if you're one of those creative people who need to focus your work or propulse your work because it's slowing down too much, sometimes you take those clippers out and you chop, 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 and that's what gets it done.